11 diabetes-approved foods and a golden tip. Did you know that choosing the right foods can transform your life with diabetes? In this video, we'll reveal 11 diabetes-approved foods that help keep your blood sugar levels under control. Plus, we'll give you a golden tip at the end that you won't want to miss. Watch to discover how these foods can be easily integrated into your daily diet, providing better health and quality of life. We'll explore each of these superfoods and explain how they can make a difference in your glycemic control. Are you tired of worrying about blood sugar spikes? Want to know which foods can help you lead a healthier life? Then stay with us and discover the benefits these 11 foods can bring to your daily life. The 10th food is the healthiest, and almost no one knows about it. Let's get started. The importance of a diet for diabetics. For those with diabetes, maintaining a balanced diet is essential. The foods you choose can greatly impact your blood sugar levels. Opting for foods that do not increase glucose is crucial for diabetes management and avoiding health complications. Additionally, a healthy diet can improve your energy, mood, and overall well-being. An appropriate diet can prevent glucose spikes, reduce the need for medication, and promote better diabetes control. It's important to understand which foods are most beneficial and how to combine them in a balanced way. Furthermore, choosing the right foods can help maintain a healthy weight, which is crucial for diabetes management. Fiber-rich foods, for example, are excellent for keeping blood sugar levels stable, as they slow down glucose absorption. Low glycemic index foods are also ideal, as they do not cause rapid blood sugar spikes. Additionally, a nutrient-rich diet, including essential vitamins and minerals, supports overall health and well-being. In this video, we will explore 11 foods that are especially beneficial for diabetics. These foods not only help control blood glucose levels but also offer various health benefits. Let's start with green vegetables, which are true superfoods when it comes to diabetes. Food 1. Green vegetables. Green vegetables such as spinach, kale, broccoli, and lettuce are essential for a healthy diet for diabetics. They are rich in fiber, vitamins, and minerals and have a low glycemic index. This means they do not cause blood sugar spikes, making them ideal for those who need to control glucose. These vegetables are also excellent sources of antioxidants, which combat oxidative stress, a common condition in diabetics. Moreover, they are rich in vitamin K, which helps with blood clotting and bone health. Regular consumption of green vegetables can contribute to reducing insulin resistance, improving glycemic control. To incorporate more green vegetables into your diet, you can add them to salads, soups, and smoothies. Steaming or lightly sautéing vegetables helps preserve their nutrients. Additionally, they can be consumed raw, providing a healthy crunch to meals. Green vegetables are also low in calories, which is beneficial for weight loss and maintenance. Maintaining a healthy weight is crucial for diabetes management, as excess weight can increase insulin resistance. Food 2. Berries. Berries, such as strawberries, raspberries, blueberries, and blackberries, are excellent options for those needing to control blood sugar levels. These fruits are rich in fiber, antioxidants, and have a low glycemic index, meaning they do not cause rapid glucose spikes. The antioxidants in berries, especially anthocyanins, have anti-inflammatory properties and can help reduce the risk of complications related to diabetes. Additionally, these fruits are an excellent source of vitamin C, which strengthens the immune system and improves skin health. Incorporating berries into your diet can be done in various ways. They can be eaten fresh, added to smoothies, yogurt, or salads, or used as toppings for whole grain cereals. The sweet taste and low calories make berries an excellent healthy snack option. Another benefit of berries is that they help satisfy hunger due to their high fiber content. This can be useful for avoiding unhealthy snacks between meals. Keeping blood sugar levels stable is easier when consuming foods that provide satiety and nutrition. Therefore, including berries in your daily diet not only helps control glucose levels but also offers a range of other health benefits. Let's now explore the benefits of fatty fish for diabetics. Food 3. Fatty fish. Fatty fish, such as salmon, sardines, mackerel, and herring, are excellent for people with diabetes due to their high omega-3 fatty acid content. These fatty acids are beneficial for heart health and can help reduce inflammation in the body, a common concern for diabetics. The omega-3s in fatty fish help improve insulin sensitivity, which is crucial for diabetes control. Additionally, these fish are rich in high-quality protein, which helps maintain muscle mass and promote satiety, reducing the appetite for less healthy foods. Regular consumption of fatty fish can help lower blood triglyceride levels and improve cholesterol profiles, both important for cardiovascular health. This is particularly important for diabetics, who have a higher risk of heart disease. To incorporate fatty fish into your diet, you can grill, bake, or steam them. Avoid frying to maintain nutritional value and avoid adding unhealthy fats. Adding fresh herbs and spices can enhance flavor without adding calories or sugar. Therefore, including fatty fish in your diet can help improve diabetes control and promote overall health. Now, let's talk about the benefits of nuts and seeds for diabetics. Food 4. Nuts and seeds. Nuts and seeds, such as almonds, walnuts, chia seeds, and flax seeds, are excellent additions to the diet of those with diabetes. They are rich in fiber, protein, and healthy fats, which help stabilize blood sugar levels and provide a prolonged feeling of fullness. These foods are also sources of magnesium, a mineral that plays an important role in glucose regulation and insulin function. Additionally, nuts and seeds contain antioxidants that protect against oxidative stress and inflammation, factors that can complicate diabetes control. You can incorporate nuts and seeds into your diet in various ways. Add them to yogurt, salads, smoothies, or use them as snacks between meals. Nuts and seeds can also be used as ingredients in healthy bread and cake recipes. One of the greatest benefits of nuts and seeds is that they help control appetite and reduce cravings for sugary foods. This is especially useful for maintaining stable blood sugar levels. Additionally, these sources of healthy fats help improve cholesterol profiles, reducing the risk of heart disease. Incorporating nuts and seeds into your diet can offer numerous health benefits, especially for those with diabetes. Now, let's explore the benefits of whole grains. Food 5. Whole grains. Whole grains, such as oats, quinoa, brown rice, and barley, are essential for a healthy diet for diabetics. They are rich in fiber, vitamins, and minerals and have a low glycemic index, which helps keep blood sugar levels stable. The fiber in whole grains helps slow glucose absorption, preventing blood sugar spikes after meals. Additionally, whole grains are sources of important nutrients like magnesium, iron, and B vitamins, which are essential for overall health. Incorporating whole grains into your diet can be done in various ways. You can use them as a base for salads, add them to soups and stews, or consume them as side dishes in your main meals. Replacing refined grains with whole grains is an effective way to improve your diet's quality. Whole grains also help promote satiety, which is useful for controlling appetite and avoiding unhealthy snacks. Maintaining a healthy weight is crucial for diabetes control, and whole grains can help in this process. Therefore, including whole grains in your daily diet can help control glucose levels and promote overall health. Let's now talk about the benefits of legumes for diabetics. Food 6. Legumes. Legumes, such as beans, lentils, chickpeas, and peas, are great for people with diabetes due to their high fiber and protein content. These foods have a low glycemic index, meaning they do not cause rapid increases in blood sugar levels. The fiber in legumes helps slow digestion and glucose absorption, keeping blood sugar levels stable. Additionally, legumes are rich in nutrients like iron, folate, and potassium, which are important for overall health. Incorporating legumes into your diet can be done in various ways. They can be used in soups, salads, stews, or as side dishes. Legumes are also an excellent base for vegetarian dishes, offering a healthy and nutritious alternative to animal proteins. Another benefit of legumes is that they help promote satiety, which is useful for controlling appetite and avoiding overeating. Keeping blood sugar levels stable is easier when consuming foods that provide satiety and nutrition. Therefore, including legumes in your daily diet can help control glucose levels and promote overall health. Let's now explore the benefits of avocados for diabetics. Food 7. Avocado. Avocado is an excellent option for people with diabetes due to its high content of healthy fats, fiber, and low glycemic index. These characteristics make avocado a food that does not cause blood sugar spikes, helping keep glucose levels under control. The monounsaturated fats in avocado are beneficial for heart health and help improve insulin sensitivity. Additionally, avocado is rich in potassium, which helps regulate blood pressure, another important factor for diabetics. Incorporating avocado into your diet can be done in various ways. It can be added to salads, smoothies, or simply eaten as a snack. Avocado is also an excellent substitute for butter or mayonnaise on sandwiches and toast, offering a healthier and more nutritious option. Avocado helps promote satiety, reducing the appetite for unhealthy snacks. Maintaining a healthy weight is crucial for diabetes control, and avocado can help in this process due to its high fiber and healthy fat content. Therefore, including avocado in your daily diet can help control glucose levels and promote overall health. Let's now talk about the benefits of eggs for diabetics. Food 8. Eggs. Eggs are an excellent source of protein and essential nutrients for people with diabetes. They have a low glycemic index and do not cause increases in blood sugar levels, making them a great option for those needing to control glucose. In addition to protein, eggs are rich in vitamins and minerals such as vitamin D, vitamin B12, selenium, and choline. These nutrients are important for overall health and proper body function. Choline, in particular, is essential for brain health and liver function. Incorporating eggs into your diet can be done in various ways. They can be eaten boiled, scrambled, in omelets, or as an ingredient in various recipes. Eggs are versatile and can be used in any meal of the day, from breakfast to dinner. Another benefit of eggs is that they help promote satiety, which is useful for controlling appetite and avoiding overeating. Keeping blood sugar levels stable is easier when consuming foods that provide satiety and nutrition. Therefore, including eggs in your daily diet can help control glucose levels and promote overall health. Let's now explore the benefits of plain yogurt for diabetics. Food 9. Plain yogurt. Plain yogurt is an excellent option for people with diabetes due to its low glycemic index and content of protein and probiotics. These components help stabilize blood sugar levels and promote digestive health. The probiotics in plain yogurt are beneficial for gut health, helping maintain a healthy balance of bacteria in the gut. This can improve digestion and nutrient absorption and strengthen the immune system. Incorporating plain yogurt into your diet can be done in various ways. It can be eaten as a snack, added to smoothies, or used as a base for sauces and salads. To avoid excessive sugar consumption, choose plain yogurts without added sugar. Plain yogurt also helps promote satiety, which is useful for controlling appetite and avoiding overeating. Maintaining a healthy weight is crucial for diabetes control, and plain yogurt can help in this process due to its high protein content. Therefore, including plain yogurt in your daily diet can help control glucose levels and promote overall health. Let's now talk about the benefits of pure cocoa for diabetics. Food 10. Pure cocoa. Pure cocoa is an excellent option for people with diabetes due to its high antioxidant content and low glycemic index. These components help stabilize blood sugar levels and protect against oxidative stress. The antioxidants in cocoa, especially flavonoids, have anti-inflammatory properties and can help improve insulin sensitivity. Additionally, cocoa is an excellent source of magnesium, which plays an important role in glucose regulation. Incorporating pure cocoa into your diet can be done in various ways. It can be added to smoothies, oatmeal, or used as a base for healthy desserts. To avoid excessive sugar consumption, choose pure cocoa without added sugar. Pure cocoa also helps promote satiety, which is useful for controlling appetite and avoiding overeating. Keeping blood sugar levels stable is easier when consuming foods that provide satiety and nutrition. Therefore, including pure cocoa in your daily diet can help control glucose levels and promote overall health. Let's now explore the benefits of herbs and spices for diabetics. Food 11. Herbs and spices. Herbs and spices, such as cinnamon, turmeric, ginger, and garlic, are great for people with diabetes due to their medicinal properties and low glycemic index. These ingredients help stabilize blood sugar levels and improve overall health. Cinnamon, for example, has been shown in studies to improve insulin sensitivity and reduce glucose levels. Turmeric has anti-inflammatory properties that can help reduce the risk of diabetes-related complications. Incorporating herbs and spices into your diet can be done in various ways. They can be added to savory dishes, smoothies, teas, or used as seasonings in various recipes. These additions not only enhance the flavor of meals but also offer health benefits without adding calories or sugar. Herbs and spices also help promote satiety, which is useful for controlling appetite and avoiding overeating. Keeping blood sugar levels stable is easier when consuming foods that provide satiety and nutrition. Therefore, including herbs and spices in your daily diet can help control glucose levels and promote overall health. Now, let's reveal the golden tip for diabetics. Golden tip for diabetics. The golden tip for diabetics is regular physical exercise combined with a balanced diet. Regular exercise helps improve insulin sensitivity, which is crucial for diabetes control. Additionally, physical activity helps maintain a healthy weight, reduce stress, and improve overall health. You don't need to join a gym or follow a strict exercise regimen. Daily walks, cycling, swimming, or any physical activity you enjoy can make a big difference. The key is to be consistent and find a routine that works for you. Combined with a balanced diet that includes the 11 foods we discussed, regular exercise can help stabilize blood sugar levels and improve your quality of life. Additionally, this combination promotes cardiovascular health, which is especially important for diabetics. Therefore, for effective diabetes control, combine a healthy diet with regular physical exercise. This will not only help keep your glucose levels under control, but also promote overall well-being and a healthier life. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. I wish you great health, wealth, and happiness.